Looks like something's missing. Drove my wife's car here to work about 4 weeks ago, and one of those cheap Chinese sending units took a shit and overheated the motor. So we got a little 5.3 LS here. It's an 03. Got a 92 millimeter throttle body coming, Summit Racing roller cam, headers, relocation brackets, all that. 4L60 E transmission. And then over here is the older 350 that was in it. That Vortec motor had throttle body heads with a little bit of work done. 268 comp cam, Summit Racing intake and carburetor. Not a lot of miles on it. Took the pan off. The bearings were galded but not spun. Had a knock in it, thinking it lost all its clearances. So for what it was going to cost me to go through and get all this redone, I'm going the LS route. We'll do some more as we get going.